Let's do this variation problem. If y varies inversely as x and y equals 17 when x equals 2, find y when x equals 10. Okay, so when you're doing these variation problems, you really want to do it in steps. So read it really slowly. So y varies inversely as x. Okay, let's write down what that means. So y varies, so the key word is inversely. Whenever it says inversely, you divide. Okay, so it's k over x. So that's the first step. The first step is to write down the equation. If it had said directly, it would have been k times x. Okay, but it didn't. It said inversely, so you divide. It's k over whatever variable you see here. All right, step 2, we keep reading and we plug in the numbers that the problem gives us. Then it says, and y equals 17 when x equals 2. Okay, so we have to replace y with 17. And we have to replace x with 2. And now we have to solve for k. So to solve for k, I guess you can multiply both sides by 2. So we can put a 2 here, and we can put a 2 here. So these cancel. So we get k, I'll write it here on the left-hand side, equal to 2 times 17, which is 34. Now we just take the 34 and we plug it back into our formula. So y equals 34 over x. So recap. Step 1, we wrote down y equals k over x. That was the first step, right? Because y varies inversely. Inversely means you divide. Step 2, we plugged in the numbers. We plugged in 17 for the y and 2 for the x. We solved for k. Then we took the 34, we plugged it back in, and we got this. So now we're here. Step 3 is to finish. It says, find y when x is 10. So y equals, let's see, so 34 over 10. Okay, so I don't know if it's going to want a decimal or a reduced fraction, because I haven't done this problem before, but we can simplify this. 2 goes into 34 17 times, and it goes into 10 5 times. So let's try 17 over 5 and see what happens. 17 divided by 5. Yep, got it right. Hope that made sense.